Yeah, Bruce Sullivan here. We're getting ready to clean this deck here in Des Moines, and I just wanted to show you how we do it with our process where we don't use a pressure washer. A lot of people clean decks with pressure washers, and it doesn't really clean them up or kill the bacteria. They may look good for a little while. This deck's a little wet because I just cleaned this roof up here on the house, but we're getting ready to clean this deck up, and as you can see, it's pretty algaed up. It's got a lot of fungi and mildew. It's got mold over there, and I'm going to have Maria take some video of while I'm spraying this to show you how we apply our solution that actually kills all this bacteria. And then I'm going to have her show you how we rinse with a garden hose pressure, and we don't use a power washer because this is the wet part of the deck where I just cleaned the roof up above me here. But as you can see, this deck is pretty mildewed and fungied up. So I'm going to have Maria take some video of me putting the solution on and how we use our algicide, mildewcide, fungicide with our citrus-based solution. And we have a little bit of oil in it that'll help rehydrate these, which is a steam process oil. So I'll have Maria show you how I apply the solution, and then I'll have her take some video of how we rinse it with a garden hose, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Thank you. Yeah, Bruce back. I told you I'd come back and show you the result of after we cleaned this up. Maria took some video of how I apply the solution that has everything in it to kill all the algae, moss, mold, mildew, lichen, and fungi. And then she also took some video of how I rinse it with a garden hose, a simple garden hose, because a power washer, would it clean it up? Yes, it'll clean it up, but it doesn't kill anything, and it comes right back. And any of you that's probably used the power washer realizes that in 3 or 4 months it looks dirty again, and that's because it's just brute force peeling off some of the wood, and it's not killing the bacteria that comes back. But as you can see by this cleaned up really nice. So I just wanted to show you what we can do. Unfortunately, we have a sun in the shade situation here, so it's really hard for me on this camera to zoom in and get some of the areas because of these trees, and because the trees is the real problem. But anyway, that's Bruce and Maria with Sullivan Roof Cleaning. Just wanted to show you what we can do and come out and clean your deck with our non-pressure process and help extend the life of it. So thank you and have a nice day.